This is one of the Genbag range of compact camera cases. This case is available in a number of different sizes depending on what size camera you have. It comes with a Velcro belt clip which just fits on nice and easily. It also has eyelets for the shoulder strap, which is also provided when you buy it. The camera is secured under the clip and Velcro. The camera itself sits in the padded compartment. There's no Velcro within the lid of the compartment, and there's no catches or Velcro within the compartment itself, so your camera's well protected and there's nothing in there that's likely to scratch the screen or damage the casing in any way. It also comes with a zip compartment at the front, which can be used to hold spare batteries and spare memory cards.